Several years ago, I had the pleasure to visit Greece and the island of Santorini, and it was there that I first discovered this wine. This is Assyrtiko. It may be new to you and me, but it's been native to the island for thousands of years, and today it's one of Santorini's prized wines. If you like crisp, bracingly fresh white wine, you're going to want to check this one out. It's brisk and refreshing, kind of like a slap in the face. Or maybe the lips. Assyrtiko is native to Santorini, one of 40 volcanic islands in the Aegean Sea known as the Cyclades. But today it's grown on many of the islands, and this one here is actually from Attica. Here, the grape grows in the volcanic soils, where it's strangely cultivated close to the ground in these unique woven basket shapes called koulouri. And they're grown this way because the island is so hot, dry, and windy that basket shape preserves moisture and protects the grapes from the wind. As you might imagine, you don't get a lot of grapes out of a setup like this, so the yields are small, making Assyrtiko relatively rare. At just 4,000 acres, it's Greece's fourth most popular grape. So grapes grown in volcanic soils are known for a few specific qualities, and Assyrtiko has them all. First and foremost, there's that high acidity. Assyrtiko is so lip-smackingly tart that it can almost taste effervescent, like it has bubbles. Secondly, there's this strong mineral element. You can almost taste flint in here and even wet slate. And third, salinity. Nobody really knows why, but grapes grown in volcanic soils tend to have a slight brine or saltiness. Add to that some very subtle hints of lemon, lime, honey, and even beeswax. And that is Assyrtiko. And for that reason, many experts say that Assyrtiko is more a texture than a flavor. You can actually feel it more than you can taste it. Of course, there are traditional producers all over the Aegean that make a simple, fresh, and clean Assyrtiko. But there are also progressive makers out there using modern techniques like surly aging and oak barrel aging. And there are sparkling and sweet versions of this wine too. As I often say, if it grows together, it goes together. Now, Assyrtiko is from the Greek islands, so of course it goes with seafood and shellfish. Lemon figures heavily at the Greek cuisine, so even something like grilled lamb with lemon could work. But Greece is so well known for its vegetarian fare, including tomatoes, cucumbers, olives, and my favorite, fava beans. And of course, don't forget the cheeses. Feta and halloumi are both light cheeses that are made with a combination of sheep's and goat's milk, and they pair perfectly with Assyrtiko. Now, because this comes all the way from the Greek islands, expect to pay a little bit more for an Assyrtiko. I got this bottle here for around $18, but it's well worth it. And if you really want to go digging, there's New World styles out there, primarily in California and Australia. So there's the top line on Assyrtiko, and I hope you get a chance to try it for yourself. And when you do, leave me some thoughts and comments below this video. And of course, if you haven't already, please subscribe, share, and like these videos too. I'll see you for the next new and interesting wine. Yamas!